Welcome to Egg Drop Challenge with our special guest, Peter Sripol.
Hello.
Amp it up.
Okay, I don't know. What are we doing?
The Egg Drop is a science experiment for young children and YouTubers, where each competitor is responsible for building a contraption capable of protecting a raw chicken egg from a dangerous fall.
That sounds good. I mean, yes, let's do it. Okay, dollar store, right? Let's go.
Welcome to the Dollar Tree, Peter. It's the place where everything's $1 except for the things that aren't $1.
Wait, in Ohio, everything's $1 because everyone's poor.
Yeah, well, in Ohio, everything is cheaper because nobody wants to be in Ohio. They can't charge as much.
That's not true. I like Ohio.
Really?
It's okay.
It's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad.
The rules are simple. You get $3, which means you can buy about 3 things.
Okay.
The Bobby Duke rule is no packing material. And then you get style points if you can see the egg in your completed protector circuit device.
You have to see the egg completely, or at least most of the time.
Most of the egg,
Okay.
yeah. Do you have any ideas?
I have an idea.
We also have to share the same stick of hot glue and like a little bit of really crappy painter's tape.
I think I can still make it work.
Okay.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Make yourself.
We're back. Show me what you got, Peter.
Skewer straw poster board.
Do we talk about the fact that we had to go to the second dollar store to get the skewers for you?
No. You can buy these at the dollar store. They were just out of stock, so I made you go to the other dollar store. So technically, no rules were broken. Nothing was violated. I'm abiding by your crappy rules.
Do you want to have a sword fight? Yeah.
No.
My materials for the egg drop. We had to keep them down there because I didn't want a problem. Ow! 2 balloons and a box of Kellogg's Frosted Flake Banana Cream Cereal. I just imagined the boardroom meeting where they were coming up with new flavors and they like gave that the green light. My plan is to take the balloons and tie them to the egg. Oh, the egg! Peter, can you grab the eggs? We need 2 eggs. Cameron and John, do you want to start the timer? Actually, for the first time ever, have we started the timer after getting the eggs. I don't really need a lot of time though, so this isn't going to help me. You're going to need help.
I'm not gonna need help at all. I'm fast.
10 minutes now. Should I put the egg like as low as possible or something? What are you doing? I'm actually kind of more interested in what you're doing than what I had planned.
I know you're interested. I'm making a helicopter.
How? That doesn't even make sense.
Oh, you'll find out. It's an auto rotation.
Auto rotation.
There we go. There's the baddie.
Oh god, he's going really fast. This is my review of Frosted Flakes Banana Cream Cereal. Oh, they smell like a Cliff Bar, like a granola bar.
Oh, it tastes awful. I don't like that. No.
Nah, that ain't it.
Artificial banana.
That ain't it, Kellogg's. You like it? Okay. Well, be my guest. All right, so you were at almost full-blown helicopter.
Yeah.
I have a piece of cardboard cut out and balloons tied to the table.
Yep, you should have gave me a little bit more stringent rule requirements because now I'm going to do something extremely over-complex and stupid.
Isn't that what you do every time you make a YouTube video?
Yeah, that's probably why I'm losing money. All right, look at that. So we got helicopter with landing skids to absorb the impact of the egg impacting the earth. I'm spending more time making it look cool than working on the actual helicopter part. I don't know.
Oh, is that that's what you're going to claim to the audience when
Yeah.
you totally destroy your egg? Yours is going to break.
Cool.
I'll put money on that.
Really?
Yeah, mine's probably also going to break.
I think you're dead wrong.
Oh, that was hot.
Yeah, hot glue's generally hot.
This kind of is like 2 flying machines. I'm not sure we did that intentionally.
What did you expect me to build?
I don't know.
3 minutes left? Are you serious?
Wait, actually?
I thought we had like 5 minutes. Oh boy, I hope this works.
1
1
minute
minute
remaining. So Peter, you built a plane that can carry a person,
Yeah.
but you can't build a helicopter to carry an egg?
Well, I need more time. I did not think this through.
How's your egg gonna even attach to it?
Oh crap, I didn't even cut the hole for the egg yet.
You're from Ohio, which is where airplanes were kind of invented. You should have
Yep.
kind of like a like
Oh
genetic.
no, my egg.
That's like
Oh,
genetics.
It didn't break yet. We're good. I need a better pokey thing.
And that's time. Hands in the air. And then you say to the camera, you look directly in it with shame and say how far long you went past the timer.
50 seconds.
It was like a minute.
50 seconds.
Well, I'm not gonna make you throw that thing off the roof half finished. Oh, speaking of roof, let's go out onto the roof.
Just realized I've made a huge mistake.
I've also made a mistake.
This thing is gonna go flying.
It's too
and not the good kind of flying.
Whee!
Look at these. All right, Peter, what have you built and what is its name?
A helicopter. It is called the gyration. It'll gyrate its way down to the ground.
I have built 2 balloons connected to a cardboard basket with a cushion of banana flavored Frosted Flakes, and I call it the Kellogg's Hindenburg. because the flavor was bad.
I mean,
a total failure.
All right, can we just throw these things off the roof?
Yeah. This is gonna be awful. Peter, do you see how much this is moving around? Like, maybe now's my time to drop.
Oh yeah, stop blowing.
No, there we go again.
There's the wind, yay.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna have to go over here. Banana cream, Hindenburg, in 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh my God, that actually kind of, no way! Are you kidding me? Peter, it survived.
All right, my turn. You ready for this? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna fall. Here we go. Gyration.
Gyration. Oh my God! What the heck?
I didn't see where it landed, but it looked pretty sick.
I actually would have bet money on both of these breaking. Oh, look at it. No!
They look both fine. Let's go check it out.
Dude,
I think we
what? No, Michael!
I think the egg's still fine. Hang on. Don't kill me. Or kill William, I guess.
Ah! Peter, I'm
Yes.
starting to think that we are not just regular smart, but hyper
Advanced smart. Look at this. It totally worked.
Or we just got lucky. I don't know what to do with myself right now.
You can eat the egg.
I would like to thank Peter Sripol. I'd like to thank Cameraman John. I'd like to thank my mom. I'd like to thank George W. Bush Sr. Anyone you want to thank?
Nah, I'm pretty thankless.
Really?
No, I don't know.
Who got you to this
Putting me on
point?
the spot.
This is an
I'd
accomplishment.
like to thank all of my subscribers and my YouTube audience for allowing me to do dumb stuff like this with other dumb YouTubers.
Just wait, Michael. Anyone else?
Can we throw the egg at Michael? You know, I think you probably actually cracked your egg, so that was probably well deserved.
Yeah, I'll take it. I think we both win, right?
Yeah, but we can't totally verify that because your egg was cracked by the time you picked it up.
Wow, that really
Therefore,
went.
Michael invalidated these test results. What's going on?
Go support Peter on Patreon. He's broke.
I have bills to do next month, and I don't know how I'm going to pay them.
See you next time on William's Hyper Smart Egg Drop. I'm sorry, Michael. I think this is the first time his car's ever been washed. Egg smegma, sma-egma is still all over the door.
All right, guys, I know what you're thinking. Peter and I are super mega smart, but anyways, True Gamer 69 won the finger. Oh, it's just 9. Apparently, it's just 9.